Velocity means what? Yes. Velocity. So velocity means as we are knowing that the time rate of change of displacement. The time rate of change of displacement is called what? Velocity. So displacement it's have both the things, magnitude and direction. Okay, so as we are knowing that displacement means what? The shortest distance from initial position to the final position. So here we can define the velocity, the time rate of change of displacement. Okay, the time rate of change of displacement, that we are going to call the velocity anta karitev. So velocity means what? The time rate of change of displacement. The time rate of change of displacement. The time rate of change of displacement is called ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Velocity. Okay, so it is called what? Velocity. The time rate of change of another displacement is called the velocity. So velocity how we can write down? So velocity we can write down, that is velocity equal to, that is a velocity equal to displacement by time. Displacement by time taken. Okay, so displacement by what? Time taken. So or we can write down the velocity, it is denoted by v equal to s by t. v equal to ಏನದಾರೆ s by t ಅದ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ನಲ್ಲೂ ನಾ ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದ, v equal to s by t ನೇ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದ. ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ನಾಗೂ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ equal to what is that? So velocity by, so speed equal to v equal to s by t. So here also I have used the same formula. So speed and velocity, so it will be the same. What is the difference between them means, the difference is that, so a displacement there we are going to consider as a distance. Distance is a scalar quantity, displacement is a vector quantity. So it means that it's have only magnitude. Speed nalli enirtha ನಾವು ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೇವೆ, only magnitude but no direction. So in velocity what we are going to see that both the things, magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction, both the things we can understanding. Got the things, sir? So now next, so what is the SI unit of this velocity? Velocity the SI unit ಏನದ? So velocity SI unit is, so SI unit of velocity is, so this is displacement is meter and this is per second. Meter per second. And CGS unit, we want to write down the what in terms of CGS unit of velocity ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ವಾಟ್ per second. Okay, centimeter per second. So now dimensional formula, we want to write down the what? Dimensional formula. So dimensional formula, who we can write down? Dimensional formula is, so we can write down the what? L t to the power of minus 1. L is length, t is the second. L t to the power of minus 1. Or we can write down the m to the power of 0, L to the power of 1, t to the power of minus 1. Okay, so m to the power of 0, L to the power of 1, t to the power of minus 1. So that is the dimensional formula. Again, what we can write down? It is a vector quantity. Which quantity it is? So it is a vector quantity. vector quantity. Which quantity it is a? So it is a vector quantity. Okay, vector quantity. So understanding the what are different types of velocity. Different types of velocity. Different types of velocity means first we can see that uniform velocity. First what we are going to see the uniform velocity. Uniform velocity. First we can see that uniform velocity. Second one non-uniform velocity. Non-uniform velocity. Okay, so uniform velocity. Second one is a non-uniform velocity. Now third one we can see that average velocity. What is that? Average velocity. Average velocity. Now fourth we can see that instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity. Okay, so there are four types are there. So one we are going to call the uniform velocity. Second one non-uniform velocity. Third one what is that? Average velocity. And then instantaneous velocity. Okay, so instantaneous velocity. Already you people have understood that what is uniform speed means what, non-uniform speed means what. Again we understood that this also what we can understood average speed, instantaneous speed means the same thing. It will also follow here because it's a vector quantity. Little bit change in the statement we can knowing it. Okay, so little bit means what? There we have what we have equal distance in equal interval of time. We have written it. Uniform means what? So here what we are going to understanding so equal displacement in equal interval of time. This non-uniform velocity is also, it is a uniform velocity is also called a constant velocity. Okay, constant velocity. Okay, constant velocity. So it is also known as what? Non-uniform velocity. We are also knowing that it's about the what? Constant velocity. Non-uniform velocity is also known as a variable velocity. Okay, variable velocity. So average velocity both it is having, both means constant and what? Variable. Okay, so both if you are taken, then the total displacement by total time, that we are going to take a average velocity. Okay, so constant means what? What is the constant? So that we are going to understand here. Constant and variable. Constant means same value, variable means change. Okay, so now we are going to understanding the uniform velocity or constant velocity. Okay, so uniform velocity or constant velocity, that we can understand here. Followed? So uniform or constant. So a body is said to be moving in a uniform velocity or constant velocity. So the meaning of the constant, it is same, does not change, the value does not change. Okay, the value of that quantity does not change, then it is called constant. Okay, so constant means it should not be what changes its value. For example, 2, 3, 4, 5, the value of 2 is changing, the value of 3 is changing. No, it is not changing, isn't it? These are called what? Constant values. Now example, another one, pi value 3.142, it's a constant, we are going to say that. Okay, it's a constant value. Okay, so constant meaning is that which does not change, means same, The meaning of the constant, it's what same. So here uniform velocity or or constant velocity means we can see that, so a body is said to be moving in a what? Uniform velocity. Uniform velocity if object covers equal displacement in equal interval of time. Okay, so equal displacement in a equal interval of time, then we are going to call uniform velocity. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. So uniform velocity means a body is said to be moving with a uniform velocity if it covers equal displacement in a equal interval of time. So that we can write on a body is said to be moving with uniform if it covers equal displacement in equal interval of time. Equal displacement in a equal interval of time. The same thing what we have understood in the uniform speed, no, the same thing. So there we are used the distance, here we are using the what? Displacement. Same as it is, we are knowing it. Okay, a body is said to be moving with uniform if it covers equal displacement in equal interval of time, then it is called uniform velocity, or it is also called what? A constant velocity. Okay, now second one. So second one what it is? So we can knowing that non-uniform velocity. So non-uniform velocity, it is also known as a what? A variable velocity. It is also known as what? A variable. Variable means changing. The value does not same. Okay, so the value does not same, then it is called variable velocity. Okay, so variable velocity. So variable velocity means if it either speed is equal. Speed means what? Only magnitude. Or direction. Speed, either the speed is equal or direction, or both it is unequal. Okay, so ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೀಡರೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಕರಿತೇನೋ? ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇನೋ. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇನೋ? ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ನೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಎರಡೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ನೂ ವೇರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇರಿಂಗ್. ಬೋತ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೇರಿಂಗ್. ಎರಡೂ ವೇರಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂಥವು ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕರಿತೇವೆ ರೀ ನಾವು? variable velocity. That type of velocities we are going to call the variable velocity. Okay, or non-uniform velocity. How we can defining means, a body is said to be moving with a variable velocity if either its speed changes or direction of motion changes, or both changes with the time. ಎರಡೂ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ. Okay, so a body is said to be variable velocity. Okay, so said to be variable velocity if either speed changes, or okay, if either speed changes or direction of motion changes or direction of motion changes or okay, so it is a both changes with the time or both changes with the time, both changes with the time. Okay, a body is said to be variable velocity. A body is said to be variable velocity if either speed changes, means magnitude changes, or direction of motion changes. So direction of motion ray changes ಆಗ್ತದೆ, or both changes with the time. ಎರಡೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ with the time, then it is called non-uniform velocity or variable velocity ಅಂತ ಕರೀಬೇಕು. Got the thing, sir? Okay. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎವರೇಜ್. Okay, so third one we are going to see that average velocity. So a body is said to be moving with either constant or variable, either constant or variable velocity. Okay, so variable velocity, so it is defined as total, it is defined as the ratio, sorry, it is defined as the ratio of a total displacement, okay, so it is defined as the ratio of a total displacement to the total time interval, okay, so it is defined as the ratio of a total displacement to the total time interval in which displacement occur, in which displacement occur. Okay, so we can see that the total displacement by total time taken. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ ಎವರೇಜ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇದು ಎರಡು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆವಲ್ಲ, ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ವಾಟ್ ಆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಕ್ಕರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ದ average velocity. So average velocity equal to, what is that? Average velocity equal to ಏನದ ರೀ, total displacement by total time taken. Total displacement by total time taken. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್, ನಾನ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಎವರೇಜ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರದ್ದು SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರದ್ದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಏನದ ರೀ, ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರದ್ದು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, ವೆಕ್ಟರೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಇದ್ರನ್ಯಾಗ ಏನವ ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟೀಸನ್ನು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕತ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಎವರೇಜ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಎ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಐದರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಅ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಕ್ಕರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಎವರೇಜ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಅದ? ಎವರೇಜ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ವಿ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಕತ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ x2 ಮೈನಸ್ x1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ t2 ಮೈನಸ್ t1 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಟಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದು ಆ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಕತ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನದ x1 ಅದ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಮೊದಲಿಡದೇ ಅದ. ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದು x1, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರಿ x2. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್, you should not be changes the direction also. Okay, so straight direction if the body it is moving. Okay, so initial to the final position. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕರಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎವರೇಜ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಕ್ಕರ್. So that is a V average equal to x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. That is a delta x by delta t. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ, ವೇರ್ x1 ಏನದ x2 ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವೇರ್ x1 is the position of the particle, position of the particle at time t1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೇವೆ ನಾವು, at time t1. and x2 ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ is the position of the particle, okay. so at a time t2 ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನದ ರೀ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೇಕಿದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಟಿ ಏನದ, ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಟಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್. Shall I rub? Okay, so now next we can see that instantaneous velocity. See, instantaneous velocity. So what is that instantaneous speed ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? instantaneous speed ಏನದ? The speed of an object at which a particular instant of time. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ an object, the velocity of an object at a particular instant of time, at a particular instant of time, so that is we are going to call the ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, instantaneous velocity. Okay, instantaneous velocity v vector equal to instantaneous velocity equal to v instant ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೇನೋ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ delta t tends to 0 delta x by delta t. So this limit delta x by delta t, that will be converted in terms of like this way, v instant equal to dx by dt. Okay, so dx by dt. So dx by dt ಏನದ, it is the first order of derivable of ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so derivatives of displacement ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. So it is the first order, it is the first order derivatives of first order, so derivatives of displacement, derivatives of displacement ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು, derivatives of displacement, first order derivatives of displacement ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ, so v equal to dx by dt. ಇದೇನದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕೋಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಟಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಅದ ರೀ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಟಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ